Hello viewers, in today's video I'm going to show you how to replace the camshaft actuator. They call it VVT solenoid too. I'm going to show you how to replace it. This is a 21 Blazer. It should be the same procedure on the GMC Acadia and the Traverse with the 3.6 engine. You got 4 of them on that engine, but we got 4 camshafts. Those are 1, 2, 3, 4. That one is for the exhaust, that for the intake. Intake, exhaust. Alright, so I'm gonna show you how to replace it. I'm replacing that one here. The one of it is a little easier, you don't have, it's less work. But this one here, you have to remove the upper intake here, upper side of the intake to replace it. Alright, so we're gonna remove the 7mm bolt here. 7mm, not remove them per se, is loosen them up. 10mm, and remove those PCV holes. You push that tab here and pull it out, and there is a 7mm here too. The next thing is remove the throttle body here. You don't have to unplug it. Let's remove those 4 10mm bolts here. All right. There it is. And we're gonna remove that 10mm bolt down there. That's for the exhaust side, okay? Not this one, that one. Before we remove it, we have to unplug it. Let's pull the red tab and unplug it. Use a 10mm wrench to remove the bolt. Technically, the instruction stick you have to remove the intake manifold, but I feel like it is doable without removing the intake manifold. All right, I'm getting the bolt off by hand. Use the bolt. Let's wiggle it back and forth. There we go. There it is. So we got the old one out. Let's put the new one in. We're gonna put at an angle. There it is, baby. Here it is. Put it the bolt in, and we start it by hand and finish it with the wrench. We're gonna start the bolt.
Are you trying to go into the app?
Good. Let's put everything in. We good. Let's put our throttle body in. Throttle body back in. Let's put this in now. Got everything back in. Good. This intake in. And this. Good. And we're good, you guys. That's how we do it. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.